Especially because I feel like the prosecution is surprised that she says she doesn't recall. So they start off by saying, what was your mother, what did she tend to be arguing about? I don't recall. And prosecution says, oh, you don't remember? No, I don't remember. So I felt, Michael, like maybe the witness wasn't well prepared. Here's your transcript just to read through so you can recall. We know it's traumatic and it's hard. We just need you to testify. And I also think I find her very credible, but if I were a juror, I'd go back there and say, she didn't remember a lot. So I don't know that she knows enough for us to conclude what happened that day.
Yeah, she didn't witness the incident, but the beginning of her testimony where she was detailing, essentially, I was left with the impression from her testimony that my dad was an alcoholic, right? So eventually the defense is going to take this case on. They're going to put on witnesses. They're going to then have a closing argument, and they're going to reference back to the beginning of her testimony because no one knows more. What are they going to do? Show bar receipts or receipts at the grocery store of every time he bought liquor? I mean, that's not possible. You have the daughter saying he drank a lot, right? And they fought a lot. So I'm still baffled as to why the prosecution would bring her, because so far her testimony has basically established that her kind of what the defense wants, which is her father was an alcoholic, but she didn't witness the incident, but she definitely remembered the alcoholism. So to me, I'm still baffled by it. I want to see if there's some payload coming at the end of her testimony from the prosecution. There must be, otherwise it's almost like prosecutorial malpractice. Again, I want to see how it plays out, but so far I'm still baffled as to why they brought her out. Unless they just want to get her out of the way before the defense takes the case, unless that's what their strategy is. So I'm just a little bit confused.